My first pet was a fish named Goldie. And then I had this cousin. Her name was Ashley. She slept over my house for the weekend. We're friends because ever since she's been coming over my house. Well, she's been helping me with projects and my multiplication tables. My mom called me and told me that I had to go down to her with the grocery store. I told my cousin to watch her, feed her, and play with her because she never likes to be left alone. And when I got back, my cousin, she had told me she was playing with my fish and she put her finger over the bowl and all of a sudden her finger just got bit. I came home, I saw a bite mark on her finger. I told her, I don't know what she did to Goldie, but whatever she did, she must really irritate her because Goldie never bit me when I did it, so.